Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am talking about the R1S dynamic roof. It was a $3,500 Canadian upgrade for our vehicle. Now, it is not just the dynamic roof with the frosting on top, it also included a sound system, but we really got it for the roof because if you do not get this dynamic roof, especially if you're in places like California, Arizona, it is extremely hot with just glass, and trust me, it makes a difference. However, we have the R1S here in Vancouver, Canada, and in the summer it's been so hot, and right now it's September, but the weather is still warm and I need a solution because one, even with the AC, it still gets warm, and when my little one naps, it's quite bright in the vehicle. But there is a solution. I received a beautiful product from VION. It's their R1S Sunshade that they wanted me to have a look at and to see if it would fit well with my R1S. So this is one of the sunshades. Here is obviously going to be the part where it reflects the heat. You can collapse them, super high quality material, first impressions. Now, for the R1S, VION only makes it in the interior that matches the black. So if you have a lighter interior right now, they don't have a different color out. For me, it works out because we do have a black interior. And then you can also open it so it's just like this. All right, let's go ahead and install this. You do get two roof shades and a set of clips, plus extras in case you misplace one, which is a smart move because I know in our house, little pieces tend to disappear. The clips snap right onto the roof trim, no tools, no fuss, and these shades are designed to fit all years of the Rivian R1T and R1S Gen 1 and Gen 2. And since it's a sturdy two-piece design, there is no sagging in the middle once the clips are in. They are made with a dual material fabric and give you a full blackout option. Right away, I can see it blocks so much brightness, which is going to be a game changer when the kids are trying to nap. I highly recommend if you purchase this product, search up the tutorial of how to set up these sunshades on YouTube by VION. I personally found that a lot more helpful than the instruction pamphlet because I'm a visual learner. This is so good. Let's do it with the door closed. Okay. I love it. I think this is what I needed for that summer heat, and I'm gonna keep it until it becomes what Vancouver is known for, Raincouver. But I really like it, and you can honestly just unclip it, fold it back up, put it back in the front, and super easy, but it's shaded. It's so nice. So as you can tell, I just installed the R1S shades. I do love it because even with the current sun that we have, it's already significantly cooler, but also darker, which is what I wanted. And even with, unfortunately, the $3,500 upgrade that we got with our dynamic roof, it doesn't cover that as much as the shades that I just got from VION. So I highly recommend if you want shades of your own. They did give me a code to share with you guys, which is EarthScene10 for 10% off. Go ahead and use that, get 10% off. If you have any questions on how to install, you saw me. I installed it. I'm sure you could do it, but you're more than welcome to hit up the comments. They also did send me a cabin air filter as well, which I told them our Rivian is basically brand new. It's under 6 months in terms of ownership, so it's hard for me to really test the cabin air filter when our air filter is really good, but it's nice to know that there is an off-market product that's not specific from Rivian and that is cost-effective as well. I do really like the R1S shade, so having an option for a cabin air filter through them, I am very happy. They also do products as well for Tesla. There's quite a range more out for Tesla, but this is all brand new for the Rivian family. And let me know your thoughts on what we just did with our Rivian. Please like and subscribe for more content, and I will see you guys next time.